Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today, I'll be showing you how I updo my curtain holder with some diamonds and a Christmas bow. It is awesome and I love the way how everything turns out. So the things you will need are some gems, Christmas bow, of course you need your hot glue, scissors, and also the curtain holders. So let's get right into it. So these are the curtain holders that I got from Mighty Pound. I paid £1 for 2 of those. So there we go. I have 2 of those and I pay £1 for them from Mighty Pound. So I'm just gonna start off by, just taking off the excess with my hands, like dust or anything, because I will be gluing on the stuff onto it. Then I bring my diamonds forward. You can get these from the Pound store or the Pound line in Turnpike Lane. So hot glue, I tried to use my tweezer at first to put the gems on, but it was taking too long and the glue dries really quickly. So I had to kind of just revert and just start using my hand, which works a lot better. But again, just be very careful with the hot glue because you don't want to burn yourself. And then this is what it looks like after I finish putting the gems on. So now I just want to make sure that everything is in the right place and I want to finish put some more gems on it. So I'm just going to use the bowl. It is coming really good together. Use your hand and fluff out the bowl as to how you desire or as to how you want it to stay. And there we go. Looking good already. Yeah. So I didn't like the way it looked bare, so I decided to go around the sides with some hot glue and then some more gems. And this is what I did. Just be very careful with the hot glue on the side because it drips quite easily. And then I just went ahead and just put a huge gem in the center of the bowl once I put it on the curtain holder. And then this is what both of them look like. So I wanted the sticks to look a little bit different. So what I did, I measured it out onto the ring and then see where I need to put the gems. So I measured it out and then just start laying my gems on top of it. Looking good already. And then that's what it looks like. So once you put it on the curtain, you can put the gems on the back so it doesn't look, too odd. So this is what both of them look like. And you can see I'm applauding myself. Looking really nice. And this is what it looks like in my bedroom. So I put this on the curtains that go around my bed and I'm in love with it. You cannot tell that I pay £1 for these 2 things because at the moment I would say they're worth at least £7 or £8 as a pair. And I mean, anyone can agree with me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love how it turned out and I'm quite impressed with myself. So guys, if you want to achieve this look, you will need the gems, hot glue gun, and then also you will need a curtain holder. They're from Mighty Pound, which is just £1. They're different colors, but I choose a silver because it works well with everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick and very simple.
من نظرت منه من نظرت بخوام تو باید بگوی
آره نظر خودم
بگوی یا ما بگم خلاص خلاص با آفریدم و عقدشون دم